Now, I had a question from a lady who has lots of coughs and colds. She has got no energy and she has lots of sweating around the top of her bum and around the crease of her bum, and she can't get any solutions from Western medicine. So she's contacted me to see if there could be any solutions in Chinese medicine. So for you, I would really be, when I hear this question, that you're getting lots of coughs and colds and you're getting sweating at the bottom of your spine, that would be telling me that you had low kidney energy. If we get lots of coughs and colds, this can be from the cold entering at the back and causing qi stagnation up and down the bladder channels, either side of the spine, on the back, right down through the coccyx, well, either side of the coccyx, around the sacrum and down the backs of the legs. This is the bladder channel and also governed by the whole kidney energetic system. So kidney qi deficiency, how can we address that? Well, we can eat lots of really good kidney qi replenishing foods. These would be blue-black in color, would involve seaweeds, black beans, turtle beans, kidney beans, aduki beans. If you can make a tea from aduki beans, this is really good for nourishing the kidney energy. Some more blue-black foods would be blackberries, blueberries, also black rice, really usually reserved for the emperor traditionally, but now black rice full of vitamins and minerals. And that's what we want to replenish kidney deficiency. We want plenty of vitamins and minerals. Like I said, seaweed is a great one for that, but also I would recommend plenty of warming teas like kukicha tea, which is a bancha twig. It's tea made from twigs and branches, and I'd recommend barley water and bone broth for really kind of nourishing that kidney qi. Also, as I was talking about this kidney qi stagnation, if you can imagine, if there's kidney deficiency, there isn't the energy to push it up the spine. So if we can nourish it with these kidney nourishing foods, that will help the energy move, because I know that, as you said, you've got no energy. So the bone broths, the barley, the seaweed all help that. But let's also use some spinal moves to help the qi move up and down the spine. So let's look at some acupressure first. So I'd be going to bladder 31, 32 and 33. So how to find these? These are on the V of the sacrum. So I'm going to turn around and show you. So what I would recommend is tapping on the sacrum and rubbing the kidneys, really warming the kidneys, warming the sacrum and warming the kidneys. So use your fingers to go in and out, right to the crease of the buttocks and up and down the sacrum, moving that kidney qi, warming that kidney qi. Use the knuckles of your fingers to rub on the sacrum and rub the kidneys, invigorating and warming the kidneys. Now, once we've warmed the kidneys up, once we've used and moved the qi through bladder 31, 32 and 33, once we want that to move up and down the spine. And another place that it can get caught is that kind of widow's hump at the top of the spine. So let's encourage that craniosacral movement up and down the spine by releasing governing vessel 14, the great hammer. So how to do this? Let me show you. So find the vertebrae, find that big vertebrae, and just massage around that vertebrae. Massage one way and massage the other way. So I'm just massaging around that great vertebrae, that governing vessel 14. I don't want you to be pressing on the spine, but you can massage either side of the neck. And again, go round in circles. And then once you've warmed that area up, once you've warmed up governing vessel 14, what I want you to do is sit nice and straight, chin slightly into chest. Feel the pull at the top of the head. Feel that pull pulling all the way from the perineum. So you've got that direct line right through the center of the body. What I want you to do is I want you to bring your chin back to your chest. Make a big double chin. Roll the chin down and bring it out. Roll the chin down and come back in. Keeping your eyes at the horizon. Don't be looking up to the ceiling. Just roll the chin in, down to the chest, out, back in, and out. This is called crane. And now let's change the direction. This one is the crane movement. So we've got a beak. I'm coming all the way out. All the way out. All the way out. So again, I'm not starting looking up at the ceiling. I'm looking straight ahead and I'm rolling it back in like a great big crane's bill. And then we go the other way. Turtle coming out of the shell. Turtle coming out of the shell. Turtle. So from the side, it's going to look like, if I put my hair up, bring it in, big double chin, roll it down, out it comes. Roll it down, out it comes. So I'm really working the spine, the vertebrae at the back of the neck. Opening up that governing vessel 14 point. Now finish off by tapping on the top of the head. 100 yang meeting points. We find this by putting the thumbs on the ears and where the middle finger falls, pressing into the top of the head. As you do this, imagine a line right down through the center of the body, right down to the perineum. Now align your spine. Really feel a nice alignment through the spine as if you're being pulled up by a cord on the top of your head. As this happens, the chin will slightly go down. We're going to inhale up the spine to the top of the head and we're going to exhale, letting the breath travel down, forehead, throat, chest, abdomen. Inhale. Right up through the spine, through the throat to the top of the head, and exhale, let it come down, forehead, throat, chest, abdomen. Inhale, right down from the coccyx, from the sexual organs, up through to the top of the head. Exhale, forehead, throat, chest, abdomen. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. What we're doing here is the microcosmic orbit. Inhaling, spine, skull, top of the head. Exhaling, forehead, throat, chest, abdomen. Inhale. So really helping the energy which seems to be getting stuck at the bottom of your spine around the sacrum and causing this kind of like sweaty dampness. So we're encouraging it to move up the bladder meridians to the top of the head, and then we're going to exhale and it's going to come down the conception vessel and the kidney meridians right over the belly down to the sexual organs. Inhaling up and exhaling down. Gathering it all in the lower dantian. Give it a lovely rub. We're expanding, and now contracting. Bring it into the lower belly. And I hope this really helps. I hope this helps with restoring your kidney chi so you have less coughs and colds, improves your energy build-up, and also relieves you of a sweaty bum. May you be happy, safe and well, and may all beings be happy, safe and well. Have a chi-filled day no matter what you're doing.